Hey guys, Chase again. We are back here at the same house that we were doing earlier. I showed you Ryan was cleaning the concrete. We just finished it up. I'm going to turn this and show you here. If you remember what that concrete looked like before, pretty significant transformation, little drainage issues in a couple places, but overall super happy with how this one turned out. Going to have some great before and afters that I'll post here in a minute. But concrete cleaned up extremely. Oh, it got dark. I don't know how to adjust that. But great, very happy with the results here. Again, we had to do the concrete. We had all the that old firewood there. Actually got a little bird checking out some of the one of the many worms that we found. But this wall, super happy with it. If you remember how bad that was, it had a bunch of pea gravel there we had to be careful for, or be careful of. Wall turned out great. Concrete, adjust. So then pull it away and adjust again. It's adjusting kind of, there we go. Anyway, just wanted to show everyone the results there. I'll post here after this video the before and after photos, which will really help tell a story, and it's not even dry. So this stuff is gonna brighten up super well for the customer here. Very thankful. If you guys need help with your concrete, do not hesitate to reach out to us. MEGAH Pressure Washing, been in the area for 3 years now. Very thankful to support Columbia, Richmond County, North Augusta, and some surrounding areas. Very thanks, and hope you guys have a great day.